Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're making another delicious Haitian party chicken. For today's video, I'm using regular chicken. I am going to add my EPIS in there. The measurement will be down below, so check it out. And also, if you want to order EPIS, if you don't know how to make it, I do have recipe, but if you want to order it, the link will be down below as well. Now I am going to add my Island Vibe seasoning as well as some lime juice that I added earlier. Just give it a nice kick. And next I am going to add my ground black pepper. I am going to add powdered garlic as well as some SAZON seasoning, the orange seasoning. And next I am going to add some smoked paprika. Alright, now it's time to give it a nice toss. Just make sure you mix it really good, and then I am going to add water to it and let it rest for about 2 to 4 hours. Now this is 4 hours later. We're going to cook the chicken. I added thyme, parsley, and also some clove, a little bit of clove powder. Let it comes to a boil about 15 to 20 minutes later. This is how it looks, nice and cooked. Moving on, I am going to cut my red bell pepper as well as some yellow onions. This is for the sauce. Now the broth for the chicken, I am going to use it, so please do not throw it away. It is delicious, it has tons of flavor. Do not throw it away. Now this is the chicken. I am going to remove it, put it in a different container before I bake it. Don't add it in the baking container yet because you want to drain the water out, otherwise it will just boil under the oven. So just transfer it to a different plate so you can remove the excess water, just like so. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Once that is done, I am going to switch it to the baking pan. Okay, now this is it. I spray it with the little non-stick spray, and then I am going to add my chicken on there. The chicken is not fully cooked. I cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, so because we're going to bake it, we do not want to overcook the chicken. Okay, you just want to prepare the chicken for the baking so it doesn't take forever to bake and it will have tons of flavor. This is how it looks. I am going to bake it on 450 degrees for you to have a nice color to your chicken. Be sure you do that. Once it's almost done, switch your baking to boil for about 5 minutes before you take your chicken out. Okay, so you can have that color on top as well. Now this is the broth. Okay, I am going to add my pepper and my onion in there. You can add tomato paste. I hate tomato paste. Hate it. So I am not going to add any. So just let it come to a boil for about 5 minutes. This is it. About 5 minutes later, you don't want to overcook your vegetable. Just let it cook for a little bit. Once that is done, just take it off the stove. Now this is the chicken. You see how crispy and nice it looks? Yes, this is what baking pan pizza is. One thing I use now for baking chicken is just give the chicken a nice color, and it gets really hot. This is it. It looks so colorful and it looks really good, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to pour that broth that we made earlier on top. Like I said, if you want to add tomato paste, feel free to add that in there, but I just hate tomato paste. This is it. Just add your sauce on top. Your chicken gonna be nice and crispy with a nice flavor to it. You can decorate it, you can eat it with whatever you want. Basically, this is the chicken. It's nice and juicy, and I ate it with rice. This is the rice I made not too long ago. You guys saw the video. If you haven't seen it, the link will be down below. Thank you for watching. Be sure you subscribe, like the video, share, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.